These flowers got me 100,000 followers on Instagram, and you won't believe how easy these are to make. Let's get started. All you need is wafer paper and a little bit of imagination. I'm going to use 0.30 millimeters wafer paper, which is double-sided, and it's made out of potato starch, oil and water. And to cut my flowers very quickly, I'm going to use this craft punch. This is by EK Tool, but you can use any size craft punch, or you can cut your petals by hand. I will need 2 shapes to form every flower. I'm going to place my flower shiny side up because I'm going to apply my color on the shiny side. And we will need something like a former. I'm using this plastic shapes. You can use bumpy foam or any shaper you have. To color my petals quickly, I'm going to use an airbrush and an airbrush color. This is Airbrush Pearl Sheen, and this is my favorite color to use for wedding cakes. Okay, now is the easiest step. I'm going to airbrush my flower one at a time. Take my former and place my flower in the former like this, and do the same to the rest of my flowers, just airbrushing and pushing it down into a former. If you want to have a different dimensions, you can use a different shaper to make your flower more open or more closed. While my flowers are drying, I will start working on my centers. For my centers, I'm going to use 22 gauge wire because our flowers are relatively heavy. We need something more substantial. And to make my shiny centers, I'm just using these craft centers, like little buttons. And I'm going to take half of my 22 gauge wire, bend the little hook at the top to get it through my button. I'm going to take half of my 22 gauge wire, take my button, and you can see that there are little indentations where you can put your wire through. I'm going to bend it over and bring it down like this, and I will try to bend it over the center of my button to create this T shape, and I will take a piece of white floral tape and cover my wire like this, bring it over and taping my wire down. Now that I have my center, I have my flowers. All I need to do is to bring my wafer paper glue. And wafer paper glue, I have a recipe link in the description, but these are just scraps of wafer paper melted in water. And all I need to do is to add a touch of wafer paper glue in the middle of my flowers like this. Place them on an angle a little bit like this, and put my center through both layers. If you wanted to give your flower a little bit more dimension, you can pinch it at the base, bringing everything together. And now you have it. These flowers are very easy to make. These are perfect for wedding cakes, birthday cakes, princess cakes, you name it. And these take like 20 seconds to make, so you can make hundreds of them in no time. Don't forget to download my free guide if you wanted to learn how to work with wafer paper and make wedding cakes with wafer paper flowers.